Yung gabi na yun, sabi natin, nirape nila yung lahat ng babae. So yung unang casualty, kasi nag-retreat sila, naiwan yung ginawa nilang cover. Ang isa doon yung lay minister na Australiana. Ito problema na ito. Ang Australian Embassy, sige na tawag.
Ito ang mga kuha ng maganap ang hostage drama sa loob ng Davao Metropolitan District Command noong August 1989. Isang grupo ng mga inmate ang nambihag ng mga misyonerong nagsasagawa noon ng Bible study sa loob ng kulungan. Ang mga bihag, ginamit pang human shield. Ng grupong pinamumunuan noon ng isang Felipe Pugoy.
Felipe, ano unsa man jud inyong demandoy?
Ano ba lang ako?
Kuha ba jud?
Pabalik kami sa Kuan. Pabalik kami sa Muntinlupa.
Kasama sa mga bihag, ang Australian missionary na si Jacqueline Hamill. Ginahasa pa raw ng mga preso si Hamill bago pinatay. Ang hostage drama na yan noong 1989 nataon sa kauna-unahang termino ni Rodrigo Duterte bilang mayor ng Davao City.
It was a bad remark. It was a bad joke. It was not a joke. Totoo yan. Sinabi ko yan. Gutter language. But it was expressed in utter anger. Listen to my explanation. I will not. As a matter of fact, I am even willing to lose the presidency. Do not make me apologize for something which I did na talagang at it was called for by the moment. I will apologize to the Filipino people. Why? Because in the first place, every crime that is committed against a hapless citizen is always a responsibility of government. That the incident turned out to be bloody and gory, sorry. Pero kung sabihin mo yung bunga ko, as a matter of principle, I will not. I will not for the life of me. I can lose the election.